All right, spoiled goats.
Oops. Oh, too slow.
My husband will sit there and cut these up to these little pieces. Lolly, the one closest, can eat a big piece and cut it, bite it off and stuff. The other two seem to have problems, and Buttercup, the youngest, can't seem to handle anything but this size. Look at them go. He's got them well behaving. Normally they butt each other and try to get to him, but he's got this down.
They're going a little slower than I did yesterday.
Because I had some yesterday.
All right.
Whoops. No, you can't pick it up.
I can keep the momentum.
Yeah, people don't realize goats don't have upper teeth in front, just the lower teeth.
Still bite you though.
Oh yeah, they can graze you.
I've had them break my skin before trying to feed them.
Not fast enough. You're talking, not feeding. Uh-oh.
Okay.
See, now they're getting
A little rambunctious.
bad. Naughty. This is Candy, big sister. And Buttercup, the one that I bottle fed last. They're getting too full. Slow
They're
down.
topping off.
Yeah, definitely.
All right, you're slowing down on me here.
She's got to get it chewed up.
Yeah.
And then she just belched.
Look
came
at her
back
eyes. And her ears.
But she's like, she doesn't want to miss out.
I know.
Oh, greedy guts. The watermelon season has started. And we're probably get at least 1 or 2 watermelons every week now, I think.
Oh,
Whoops.
I know the little pieces. I'm a little.
Give them to the chickies.
Yeah. Flat hand. I don't mind too much.
Give them the bowl.
Nope. That's it.
Nope.
I don't think any of them will
Hey,
eat it
girl.
now. Let's see.
Hey, sweetie.
No, she won't.
All right.
I might go get it.
Hope you enjoyed that as much as we did.
Their bellies.
Yeah, they're like, fine. I know, you need to lose that winter coat.
They don't.
Mm.
She doesn't
Looks
lose
hot.
much. Hey.
Yeah, Buttercup, baby. Lap goat. I know, I can't pet you like I normally can. Hand's still messed up.
Film the star here. Ta-da.
Of course, he can't be left out.
No.
Oh, Buttercup wants my attention, though.
Oh yeah, she loves to be scratched.
I can't scratch her, though.
Oh, Candy doesn't.
Oh, yeah, that's Candy. That's
Buttercup.
Buttercup, sorry.
Buttercup likes it.
I get them confused when I
Right
just
back
look at
here
their
on the
faces.
haunches, they can't get to that themselves.
Yeah.
See?
No, I can't do anything. I'm sorry. All I can do is this
No,
thumb.
she's a little skittish still.
That's Candy, big sister, little sister. Little sister's bigger, though. She's just younger.
Hey, stop it.
Well, thanks for watching.